Hi, I'm Leah. This video describes the Skrol extension that integrates the Skrol app with Gmail. The Skrol app is a professional-grade contact manager based on the Google Contacts database. This database is also behind your Gmail, calendar, dialer, messages, and mobile devices connected to your Google account. I will use a list of the 116th United States Congress throughout this demonstration because it contains public information about all sitting senators and representatives. Seeing real people with familiar names inside Skrol will help you better understand what makes it such a helpful tool for Gmail users. Let's start. First, the Skrol extension lets you research email sender on the web directly from Gmail's inbox. I bet you've been asking yourself time and again, but who is this email from? Let's open an unread message from Congresswoman Clark to find this out without using Skrol. First, you would highlight her name from the message's header. Click the Control-C, open a new browser tab, click the Control-V to paste her name into the search field, and click the Enter key to find her on the web. Not a lot of effort, but it is still a hassle. So we've added this menu to the Gmail message toolbar. Let's use it to find Miss Clark. Another click completes the search. You can also use this menu to look up all other emails from Miss Clark, check out her photos, search for her email address, or open a website associated with her email. All that in seconds and right from inside the Gmail and without touching a keyboard once. Second, the Skrol extension lets you view sender info right inside the Gmail message. Have you ever wanted to make a phone call, reply with a tweet, or visit a Facebook page of the email sender? Well, if Miss Clark's contact information has been added to the Google Contacts database, with the Skrol extension, you can. And here is how. A click on this icon opens the sidebar on the right. From here, you can go to Skrol for more information in Miss Clark's folder. See her larger photo, title, and the name of her organization. Access Twitter page and read up notes. Retrieve a map or directions to her office. Call any of her phone numbers. Review all social network pages. And finally, access any of the groups that Miss Clark belongs to inside Skrol. This one contains all members of the United States Congress from the state of Massachusetts. But how do you add all that information to Skrol? Just as easy, because third, the Skrol extension lets you add contact information to the Google Contacts database from any web page or email message without typing. Here is a new email from my colleague Edwin. Let's open it and check out his signature at the end. It contains his photograph, name, position, company name, work address, website, email, phone numbers, and links to his social sites. Let's open a sender sidebar on the right. Then, let's select this information and click the Add to Skrol command here. The app switches to Skrol and opens this window with all but one field correctly recognized. Here are his email, first and last names, company name, work address, phone numbers, and website, and all 4 social sites. His job title on the left wasn't recognized. Let's move it into the position field and click this button to add it to Skrol. Here is all of Edwin's information inside the new folder. His photo from Gmail, his first and last names, company name and position, all 3 phones, email, website, all 4 social networks, and his work address, all added in just 30 seconds with 0 typing and no errors. Adding notes is just as easy because, fourth, the Skrol extension lets you add notes to the contact folder from any web page. Let's open the Skrol site. Open the About page and select the first paragraph. Next, I'll click the right mouse button down and we'll select the Scroll Tools submenu and the Add Selection to Notes command. The extension switches over to Edwin's folder inside Skrol, and here is the text that I've highlighted inside the note field. Now, let's go back to the Congresswoman Clark folder. I will show you how you can change her photo because, fifth, the Skrol extension lets you find and replace contact photos with images from the web. First, let's hover over Miss Clark's photo and click the Search Find Her Images on the web. Next, click the right mouse button over a new photo. Select the Scroll Tools submenu and use the Update Photo command to transfer this image to Skrol. Let's make minor adjustments. And click the Save button to replace her previous photo. Here it is. By the way, you can also use a photo from your computer, hard disk, or copy one from the clipboard. Now, let's connect to Miss Clark's Facebook page. The process is just as quick and straightforward because, sixth, the Skrol extension lets you find and connect to social pages with a few clicks. First, let's scroll down the folder to the section with the social fields. Second, let's click the plus button to add the Facebook field to the list. Third, click the search button to find Miss Clark on Facebook. Next, let's open her page. Click the extension button to open the Link Catherine Clark's folder to this page window, and click the Add to Scroll button to complete the linking. Here is Miss Clark's Facebook user ID added to her folder. To see her Facebook page the next time around, just click this icon in the sidebar. You can connect this way to the 20 most popular social sites and add as many others as you may need in the Settings section. Besides social pages, you can also connect to your favorite places on Yelp. And here's how this works. Let's go to Yelp and look for a well-rated burger place on Pennsylvania Avenue near the Capitol building. Here is one nearby. Let's check this place out. There are plenty of good reviews, and these photos are appetizing. It may well be worth going there. To link to this restaurant, I'll click the Skrol extension icon here. Here is all the contact information that we need from Yelp. Finally, a click here adds BDC Pen Quarter to Skrol, including its cover picture. The next time around, you can make a reservation right from the sidebar, check out walking directions on a Google map, and after having a good meal, click on the Yelp icon to write a helpful review. Finally, seventh, the Skrol extension lets you open active apps inside their browser tabs instead of opening a new tab again and again. Here is how this works. First, let's use the bookmarks bar to open Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Maps. Now, let's return to Skrol and click the Gmail button here. As you can see, the app instantly switches to Gmail instead of opening yet another Gmail tab. Let's go back to Skrol and click the Google Calendar icon. Just like with Gmail, it instantly opens an active calendar tab. Let's go back again and click the Directions shortcut inside the sidebar to see driving directions to Congresswoman Clark's office. As you can see, the app has switched over to Google Maps instantly with the directions to 45 Independence Avenue, Southwest in Washington, D.C. Without the Skrol extension, a new tab would open for each app. Too many tabs would clutter your browser and impede your productivity. I'm sure you don't want that, do you? We hope the Skrol app and extension will make your life and work a lot more enjoyable and productive. Happy scrolling, and thank you for watching.